So usually when somebody's thinking about building their website, they have the same three questions, which are what is a domain, what is a website platform, and what is hosting. So in this video, I'm going to answer these three questions in a very simple way. So first of all, what is a domain? A domain is essentially the name of your website, which means it's www.yourname.com. So it could be the name of your company, it could be the name of your product, etc., a keyword for people to find on searches, etc. But essentially, it's the name of your website. Basically, you can go to GoDaddy, HostGator, and see if it's available. So say like t-shirts online now.com, and you search for it and you see, okay, it's available, and usually it's around like $1 to $10 a month, and they can give you a lot of packages per year. So that's a domain, the .com of your company. How people go on the web and search for you when they go on Google or the top search bar. Then what is a website platform? So there are a lot of platforms out there that are website builders. For example, Wix, WordPress, Shopify, and there's many others. And that would be a website platform. So it helps you put a theme and it lets you do anything you want in that case. And then there's other ones that are basically just straight HTML and programming, which is when you want to do something very unique, like an application, like eventually a big app, and you hire someone to program, or if you know how to do it. That would be a framework if you're going to do programming. For example, I'm going to code in PHP or Python, and my framework is Laravel or Flask. But if you're going to do something simple, you don't have to worry about that. I would just stick with something like Wix or WordPress. And finally, the one that I find that is the most hardest to understand for a newcomer is hosting. What do they mean by hosting? How come I have to pay something every month for hosting? But you could think of it as you are renting a space on an online server. So you have digital space that you pay every month, and they reserve this little room for your website on a server that could be, I don't know, San Francisco, Phoenix, Boston, New York, etc. It could be anywhere in the world, and you're paying basically for them to keep your site there so that anybody searching your domain name and putting enter, they will get the files of your website to them. So basically, I search for your website with your domain, www.whateveryouwanted.com, and then the server that you're paying to have a space where your website is will send me your website to my computer. Your hosting makes your site available to anyone because you're paying them to do that, to make you available. Otherwise, you'd have to have your own server, which is like thousands of dollars, and put it connected straight to the internet, and you don't want to worry about that. All you want to do is put your site live, pay this hosting company, which is usually around $10 to $20 a month, sometimes less, and they have your site ready and up, and you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to pay them. But don't worry, it's not that much usually. There's even ones that have for $5, like GoDaddy, for example. So there you have it. I hope that you learned what a domain, what a website platform, and what hosting does for you and your online business. So which one of these tips helped you the most, and what platform are you going to use for your new website? And don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like these and get notifications. Also, if you want to go further and you want to become a marketing ace, then don't forget to click on the link below in the description to get your free ebook so you can delve deeper into the world of online marketing. So looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.